Are you ready for the hidden secrets?
Well, I guess you are ready. I am Ty Jungle. Subscribe to this channel and like this video. Now let's get to it.
Okay, so we are going to do the headless portrait. We just start by taking a picture with this pose. Now we are heading to PixArt. We first crop the background. Anyway, if you want the background, visit my Instagram page, the same name, Ty Jungle, and you get the background. Let's add some shadows to the background just to make it more detailed. The background is now ready, so we add the picture to it, and then we have to remove the background of the picture. Position the photo well as you want it, and then next is to clean the parts that are not wanted. I mean the hair and then some part of the forehead that the fingers could not cover. Let's expand the photo a bit to occupy most of the background. So next thing to do, we are to add some shadows. Just go to the adjustment and then you click on the shadows. We have to add them to the dark parts of the skin just to bring out the details. That is, I got some color smoke that we have to add it just to make the picture more realistic. So if you want to change the color of the smoke, you just go to the adjustment layer and then you adjust the saturation to make it black because of the background. For the part of the color grade, you can use Lightroom, which I'll be dropping the tutorials very soon, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you don't want to use Lightroom, you can also go to the effects and then choose the already made filters. My final color grading was made in Lightroom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to drop a like on this video. See you in the next tutorials.